So, hello guys. Today we are gonna make a super duper easy Oreo mug cake. My mother also wanted one, so I'm also going to make. Oh my god, sorry. Also going to make for her. So first take two mugs. Just a minute. I took these two glasses, and then we'll take Oreo. And we'll just put 2 to 4 Oreo in each. No, I think 5. It would be too much if your glass is small, but also 4 kind of. And I took milk and then just pour it in. Sink them. Okay, I'll just crush it with it. I'll smash this, and when it becomes a batter type consistency, then you will have to stop and then microwave it. It's ready, but before putting in the microwave, we have to add some baking soda or baking powder. So I'll just add it. Also add 1 tablespoon sugar and then mix it properly until it's fully mixed with everything. So I mixed this very well, and I'm gonna keep it aside and then mix this, and then also sink 1 Oreo like this. And then finally microwave it. You will just have to check if it's cooked or not with a toothpick. I also made a Oreo sauce for my cake. In mine, I have put the sauce, and this one is normal. And you can also add some choco chips if you want. So guys, now I'm gonna try it. It's very nice. You should try it too and tell me in the comment how is it. Bye.